Post a new app. Post a new app. Oh yeah, come on. I don't bring a new app for you guys. It's a live streaming app, but mainly for female. Male are also on the app, but you need to reach a certain level before you can go live on the app. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to download this app, how to get started, how to perform your tasks, claim your reward. In fact, everything about this app I'm going to show you right now. Before I proceed, hello besties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Selling. In this my channel, I share about legit earning apps, how to make money online. So if this is the type of video you like to watch, hit that subscription button. Alright, turn on your notification so that whenever I make any upload, you'll be notified. So to get started on this app, all you need is just to click at the link at my comment section or my description is to take you to Play Store where you will download this app. After downloading it, sign in with your Google account. You put your fill in the normal form for registration. So after filling it, the next thing is to open the app. The app will open like this. Then you click on my profile. So once you click on my profile, you put your profile picture. All right, put your profile picture and your profile picture, your gender, your country, and your WhatsApp. So after that, the next thing is to click on my agency. Click on my agency, then you join my agency. My agency code is 61694341. It's also showing on the screen right now. I'll also put it in description and comment section. So once you join the agency, it's automatic approval. I'm not the one to approve it. The platform will approve it immediately. Then you click on verification. Click on verification here, okay, and get verified. As you can see, authentication successful. Congratulations, your face authentication has been approved successfully. So once they tell you like this, your authentication is successful. So after successful authentication, the next thing is to click on live. This is where you click. That place the right live. That is where you click. So once you click on live, you see go live. Then you set your live live picture. You put on your live picture and set up your live. Click on go party. Once you click on go party, it will ask you to put your picture. I don't want to go live now, but if you want to go live, it will ask you to put your picture. Okay, you put your background picture. So after putting your background picture, then you allow them to approve it. Once they approve it, then you click on go live again. Put your live title. As you can see my own here, chat and the conference. Put your own live title. After putting it, then you can go live. You go live straight to 1 hour. It's just 1 hour live streaming. So you go live for 1 hour. Once you finish your live stream 1 hour, then you click on your profile again. So guys, I forgot to screen record this while I was live streaming. So once you are live streaming, please pay attention to a box by your right. The box has countdown from 5 minutes to 00. So once it's 00, you click it and claim 40 beans. So their withdrawable money is bean. They call their coin bean. So they call their coin bean, sorry, and their diamond is withdrawable money. See diamond here, then their coin is bean. So once you click on reward, it will open and you will claim your reward once you live stream for 1 hour. Hold on guys, it's my network is frustrating. So let's click on here. This is when you upgrade, you'll receive this. When you upgrade 1 hour, 3,000 diamonds, that is what you'll be receiving. So when you upgrade to 70,000 diamonds, you'll be receiving 3,500 daily. So I don't know why here it's not opening. So this is here you will come and claim your reward after live streaming. You click on reward, see it has opened. Are you seeing it? Daily reward 3,000, stream for 1 hour, claimed. I've claimed it. Yeah, so that's it. You click on diamond, as you can see, then click on withdraw. Their withdrawal method is ePay, USDT, TRC20, and Binance. So I know many people have this withdrawal method. Okay, even if you don't have any of them, just tell me. All right, I'll send you an app that you can download so that you use it and receive your money. Okay, that have USDT and C20. So that's all about the app. All right, the name of this app is Pogo Live. Yeah, as you can see, it's Pogo Live. That is the name of the app. Okay, so that's all about Pogo app. Their minimum withdrawal is $20, which is 200,000 diamond. All right, that is what you withdraw at the first time. Then from second withdrawal you can withdraw from $10. It is self withdrawal, self gifting, self gambling, everything. You do it by yourself. Okay, so you can also do matchmaking here. As you can see, call, so you can be online and receive call. That is why it's for females. Yeah, because it's male that will call them. So as you can see, these people are online, so you can be online and also receive call from men. All right, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, turn on your notification so that whenever I make any upload, you'll be among the people that get notified. Without no further ado, let's call it a day. Bye bye guys.